Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the another update of Shopify. What usually happens when you visit a website and log in, then it redirects you to an account page. For instance, if I log in to this Shopify demo store, you can see that after entering the email and OTP, and when I am logging in, it takes me directly to the account page. Now, take a look. What's the problem with this? Suppose you are browsing a website, find a product you like, and decide to purchase it. When you proceed to checkout, it asks you to log in. If you're not already logged in, you fill in your login details, but after logging in, it redirects you to your account page instead of taking you back to the product or checkout page. Then you need to search for the product again that you wanted to buy. Let me give you another example. Suppose you click a link of our website from our YouTube video and reach the site. If you want to view specific content or code on a blog, it asks you to log in. Let's log in by entering email address and OTP. After logging in, instead of staying on the blog page, it redirects you to the account page, and you lose track of where you were. This creates a lot of problems, but Shopify has now solved this problem with a new update. With this feature, once you log in, it will redirect you back to the page you were on instead of the account page. In this video, I'll show you how to implement this feature. Let's move ahead and see how it's done. Go to your store admin and duplicate your theme to ensure you have a backup. Open the duplicated theme and go to the code editor. Search for a file named header.liquid. Use Ctrl+F to search for the term account. Locate the anchor tag where the condition checks for customer login and redirects to the account page. Here you can see routes.account_URL and routes.account_login_URL replace routes. Account_login_URL with routes.storefront_login_URL. Save the file and preview your store. Now, when users log in, they will be redirected back to the page where they initiated the login process. Let me demonstrate. Now I am on my YouTube channel and clicking on the My Website link. It asks me to log in to view the code. Now after logging in, instead of going to the account page, it brings me back to the same blog page, and I can view the code seamlessly. This solves the problem of losing track of the page or content you were working with. Note one thing, this is for new user account. Only for old user account you can watch our old video. Link has been given in description and I button. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.